Welcome to our tutorial series. In this video, we will be going through learner personal settings in aNewSpring. Let's have a closer look at managing your personal settings. First things first, we're going to tweak some details about you and how you interact with the platform. To get started, click on your name. A little drop-down menu should appear. Click on Account Settings to access your Personal Settings hub. Now let's spruce up your profile. Click on your profile picture. This is the image that represents you across the platform. So make sure it's something nice. If you're using the default image with your initials, you can change it here. Remember, square format photos work best. Oh, and only upload JPG, PNG, or GIF files. Need to update your email address? No sweat. Just shoot an email over to your admin with your old email address and your shiny new one, and they'll take care of it for you. Next up, let's fill in some personal details. Click on the Personal Data tab. Here you can add a short bio about yourself. Go ahead, brag a little. And if you want to share your social media profiles, it's super easy. Just drop in the links to your LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, or Skype accounts. This will add convenient buttons to your profile page for others to connect with you. Scrolling down, you can update more of your personal details. Just be cautious about what you add here. Some fields may be customized to fit your organization, so if you're unsure, it's best to check with your administrator. You definitely don't want to accidentally mess up their reporting data. Lastly, let's talk notifications. Click on the Email Settings tab. Here you can specify which emails you want to receive and how often you want to receive them. Keep it tailored to your preferences, and that's it. Your personal settings are all sorted. Go ahead, explore, and make the platform truly yours. Thank you so much for watching. There are more aNewSpring and tutorial videos available to you on our channel. If you would like to know more about something specific or have recommendations for a tutorial you would like to see, feel free to comment down below. Like and subscribe for more.